In this video, we are going to look at place value positions. In particular, we're going to look at decimal place value. Here we can see in blue, we have two rectangles. Our decimat represents one whole, and our blue rectangles represent 2/10. If we broke our decimat into 10 equal parts, there would be 2 out of the 10 equal parts, or 2/10, represented. Here is 6/10, or 6 out of 10 equal sized parts represented. Here is 4/10, or 4 out of 10 equal sized parts represented. Once again, we've got to think of our decimat as one whole, and here is 4/10 of that one whole. When we move to a place value position to the right, we are essentially dividing by 10 each time. And that is the 10ness of place value. So let's do that right now. If we have 1/10 and we broke it into 10 equal sized parts, that would be called hundredths. So here we have 2/100ths. If we had 100 of these rectangles, these smaller rectangles across our decimat, there would be 100 of them. So we have 2/100ths, or 2 out of 100 equal sized parts. Once again, if we broke our decimat into 100 equal sized parts, there would be 9/100ths shaded. Once again, if we broke our decimat into 100 equal sized parts, here's 3/100ths. Now, moving from hundredths to thousandths, we are dividing by 10 again. So here is 2/1000ths, or 2 out of 1,000 equal sized parts. So if you imagine those orange rectangles, and there was 1,000 of them, or the whole decimat was divided into 1,000 of those small orange rectangles, there would be 1,000 of them on our decimat. So we have 2/1000ths. Here is 1,000th, or 1 of 1,000 equal sized parts. Here is 6/1000ths. So if we have a look and compare the place value positions, we can see that tenths are 10 equal sized parts, hundredths are 100 equal sized parts, and then thousandths are 1,000 equal sized parts. So as we keep moving to the right, our part gets smaller. Tenths, and then 100th, and then hundredths are smaller again, and then thousandths are smaller again.